After stopping in Escalante for showers, laundry, and pizza, Angie and I decided to check out the Hell's Backbone Drive through Dixie National Forest, north of Escalante, on our way to Capitol Reef National Park. After leaving the National Forest, we had a short stretch of driving on Highway 12 before getting on Burr Trail Road. From there, we found a nice spot to camp for the night just outside the National Park.
After driving all day, I think we found our camping spot. Let's see.
You good?
Good.
All right. The following morning, we ate a quick breakfast, then packed up our camp, eager to spend the day inside Capitol Reef. We're officially in Capitol Reef National Park. Heading up the upper Muley Twist Canyon. We're going to do that hike. The total round trip from the trailhead we're going to, which is the four-wheel drive trailhead, I would recommend four-wheel drive right now. It's going to be a 9-mile round trip loop, so we'll see if we do the whole thing or just get some views. Kind of just enjoying the beautiful day. We're at the upper Muley Twist trailhead. Time to start our hike. We're gonna check out the Strike Valley overlook first though.
Oh, let's go.
Capitol Reef National Park. We're on our way back down to the trailhead. We are going to hike the trail a little bit. We haven't decided if we want to do the whole loop or not yet. It's 9 miles total, so there's an arch a few miles down the trail. We may just go check that out, turn around. Feeling good and the weather looks clear. We may just do the whole loop. We got some clouds there, so that's kind of a concern for entering a canyon, I think. That's Muley Arch right there. Huge. We made it to Saddle Arch. We decided we're just gonna stop here, eat lunch, and then turn back, go back to the Jeep. One, don't necessarily feel safe walking into a canyon with those clouds up north. And then also, it'll be getting kind of late when we'd finish anyways. And it'd be nice not to roll into campsite so late this time. We'll see though. So we're heading back. This was a fun hike. If we come back to Capitol Reef, we're definitely coming back here. I'd love to backpack this trail. I've been wanting to last couple times. Just didn't work out that way, but we'll do it. Back in view of the Muley Arch. I'm pretty sure we're about finished with the trail to Saddle Arch and back. That was a nice, easy 4-mile hike. Very little, if any, elevation change. We did do the Strike Valley Overlook too. That was a short hill, but even super short hike. Thanks for watching our hike. Be sure to subscribe for more adventures. So we didn't even notice this one driving in. So you're coming from the wrong angle, but leaving the trailhead, saw this arch. Checked the map, it said double arch. Let me show you why it's called double arch. That was a really cool arch. Let's get moving.
Yeah, a little to the left now. Now, okay. Left, 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 left. Okay, left, left, left.
All right, made it off the rough road. Time to get back on the Burr Trail Road and make it through Capitol Reef.